Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, and we are just gonna get right into it. So I'm priming my eyelid with LA Girl Pro Concealer, and then I'm blending that out with the Real Techniques brush. Then I'm going into that orange color in the Morphe 35B palette, and with a Wet n Wild blending brush, I'm just using that as our transition color, and I'm just blending out everything and making sure it's all seamless. And then going into the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking the Venetian Red and I'm beginning to put that right under the orange and also like marrying them and blending them out and creating like a gradient effect. Then going back into the Morphe 35B palette, I took that black color. And you guys know how much I love black eyeshadow because it deepens it so nicely, and I can't stay away from it. And then I'm going back into the red color to blend everything out. And then I'm cutting my crease using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I decided to like wing the crease out. I just want to do something different and cute or whatever, you know. I'm just trying to be experimental, you know how I do. And then what I've never done this before, but it worked. That black shadow, I began to smoke that out along the line, along my lash line, and that was kind of mimicking like eyeliner, but it's like smoked out because I never really knew how to do smoked out eyeliners. So this was pretty effective for me. And then I used a small packing brush. It's from Morphe. I will link all the brushes and everything I use in the description box below. And then I began to pack that on directly above the black. And I can't even lie to you, for a second, I didn't even know how this was gonna come out. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but I was struggling to make sure it looked blended and make sure it was not looking retarded and just looking like a hot ass mess. So it did take me quite a while. I had to go back in between colors, making sure everything was there and present, and one wasn't overpowering the other, but we eventually got it, and you know, it looks pretty good, you know what I'm saying? And so, what am I doing here? Oh yeah, so I completely forgot about this step. So I had, and it's cause like, I can't really see it, but I had went in and added some gold glitter, like at the inner corner area, but not like at the whole crease, but yeah. So, to prime my face, I'm using the Fenty Beauty mattifying primer. We are going for a matte look today because I just felt like it. You know, matte is sexy too. So I'm just priming my face, and then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundations. And I mix 420 and 430 because that gives me literally the best match ever. And then today we're using a beauty blender. I have not used a beauty sponge in so long. And it's just one thing with me is whenever I get so comfortable using like a certain tool, I just never want to stop it. But, you know, beauty sponges are also effective too. Look at my face, okay? Skin popping. And then to conceal, I'm taking, I think it's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer that I had used. And I'm just, you know, putting it under my eyes, my nose, everywhere. And then using that same sponge. I always like to use the same sponge that I use for foundation to blend it out because, you know, foundation is still on it. So for me, like, it blends the concealer way better. And then using my coclourpop foundation stick. It's darker than me, obviously. I use that to contour. And I just love this. And it's super affordable. And taking the same coclourpop foundation stick, I just put some on a brush and started to contour my nose a little bit. And I had went ahead and sprayed my face with a matte setting spray from Rubykisses. And what I like to do whenever I spray a matte spray is I like to dab all of that in with like a beauty sponge, because sometimes those tricklets of water, those droplets, it dries down and it kind of stays there. So in order to avoid this, I just blend or just pat everything in with like a beauty sponge. And it's a better finish too. And so now for my under eyes, I'm just pretty much going in with like the red color and some of the black eyeshadow to smoke the bottom out. And then I'm highlighting with my favorite highlighter ever. And I just love this highlighter so much. And so for my lips, I'm taking a matte lipstick from Raine, and the shade is Tootsie, and it's just this beautiful, deep, dark brown. And like the matte finish is beautiful, it's smooth, like it looks amazing. And then now I'm just popping on my lashes. And this is pretty much the final look, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram, everything. I will link everything I use in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.